In this video, we're going to talk about the traceability matrix for AssertThat BDD and Cucumber plugin for Jira. We'll cover how to use basic JQL filters to return a list of the linked issues and the scenarios linked to them. We'll talk about the traceability report components. We'll then move on to advanced JQL filters using custom issued properties and how you can use save filters to return a list of your issues and the linked scenarios. So it goes without saying, we'll assume that you've installed the plugin, you've enabled it for a project. In the previous videos, we showed you how to link scenarios to user stories, how to run them manually. So let's dive straight into looking at the traceability report. So the traceability report is available from the features menu, and then you click on the traceability matrix. Let's start by putting in a very simple query. Project equals demo. And this will return all of the issue types within the project and list all of the scenarios which are linked to them. Okay, if we wanted to do something a little bit more specific, we could just return all of the issues within a sprint using the JQL like. So now we've returned all of the issues within the sprint. AssertThat BDD scenarios can be linked to any Jira issue type. So what you've got in here is the Jira issue. You've got the scenarios and the features which they belong to. So you've got the feature here, feature name here. You've got the tags, the feature tags. You've got the scenario linked to it and the scenario tags. You've got the mode, whether it's manual or automated. And you've got the status of that scenario. So is it passed, failed, in progress, or not complete? Other options you've got here, you can display up to 500 records on the page. And you can also download as a CSV. Within the CSV, Within the CSV, you'll have a table which contains all of the linked scenarios. It will also display in the download the steps within each of the scenarios as well. So let's have a look at the gadgets here. So let's start with the overall coverage. The overall coverage effectively tells me that there are 7 issues within the filter. Of those, 5 of them have scenarios linked to them, 2 don't. Automated coverage, it looks at all the scenarios which are linked to the issues and tells me how many are automated, 5, and I've got 10 manual. And out of those scenarios linked to the issues, what is the execution status of them? The gadgets are interactive, so I can click and exclude certain statuses. And also, if I wanted to, I could display the automated or manual scenarios only. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the advanced JQL filters. These are really useful if you want to return issues which have certain types of scenarios linked to them in terms of their execution status, whether they're automated or manual, and even if they have certain tags. Our Confluence pages detail all of the different custom issue properties. So let's take an example. If I wanted to return issues which have automated scenarios, I would look at the custom issue type with automated in it, greater than 0. And obviously I can combine this with other filters such as and status equals done or in progress. The other option to display a list of issues is to use save filters. So from the drop down, select your save filters, and what this is displaying here is, as you can see, any of the issues which don't have any scenarios linked to them. So if you like this video, please click on the like button or leave a comment. That would be really appreciated. If you do have any questions, then please email us at support@assertthat.com. We'll also put details into the notes regarding how to set up a demo if you'd find that useful. Many thanks for watching.